almost seem to be pushed onto. I'm trying to come off it. I've got the helm over it. I think it's like the current. That tricky D current.
Yeah. That 10 knots of current he always gets in the wrong direction.
Come on. I seem to be getting blown into it. Well, not blown, but
Come on, bit of wind.
just careful that main doesn't dive. We get back in the centre past the thing.
Well done, Barry.
Hang on, we're not.
Well done, Barry.
We'll stay down there, Karen, I think, for a minute. We haven't got that much wind.
Well done. How many inches clear?
Just 6 inches.
Ah.
Where's the next mark?
Fish farm.
Fish farm,
No,
straight
right
down
there in
there.
front of us.
Alpay fish farm.
Another cardinal mark in front of us.
Oh, right, okay, yeah.
We've got to go for
Just
that
trim
mark.
a bit then, Stu. That's on the traveller, I think. Just on the traveller, I think. Hey. Listen to that, watch this now. Just a bit more then.
No, he's turning away. He's playing safe.
They've got a bugger there, didn't
They
they?
do, yeah.
Good morning, David. That was on
I
seal.
think that was your fault, Barry. You pressurised
Hey?
them. It's your fault. You pressurised them.
Right, well,
Oh no, he's cutting right in on him. Where's he going?
We told them to drive too early. So jive now. So
No, I meant the tom. Look, the tom's right inside. Whose right away is it there?
No, he's got to give him water.
Is
Tago Mago's got to give that little boat water.
yeah. Oh, yes. That's what I meant. Yes. Whose right away is it? Oh no, he's taking his spinnaker down now and. Oh.
Real trouble.
Oh, no.
Hit the mark. Hit the mark. Now. Hit it there, one.
Come on, guys.
Crazy.
Oh, well done. He's
got
managed
wind
to
on the
get
nose
himself
now.
round.
Watch it, Barry.
Totally
Yeah, it's a
stuffed
bear
the other
way,
one.
but, yeah.
He has, yeah. He's totally put him. He's had to point him in the
Okay, it's back again now.
Well done.
Poor the price is going to go around the mark to send the price.
He just almost parked it. He's standing on it. He's pushing it off with his foot. See? Pushing it away with his foot.
I don't think that's allowed.
Disqualified.
Yes, if you can see it that clearly. I don't think you can probably see it from
I bet
here.
he's touched it.
Oh dear.
Sorry, Tiger, you're disqualified.
Somebody flying a spinnaker up there.
Disqualified and we got it on.